Greetings and welcome to the Hydroponic Day 88 update. Important details: I've started to close the enclosure fully at night, other than that back mesh vent, just to prevent any other bugs from getting in. I'm still surprised that happened to start with. That's what I've determined overall, that a bug got in and I got that one snappy, which is unfortunate, but there's actually 2 more flowers that came in today, so very nice, but still kind of bummed out over that bug thing. Anyway, I'm going to start doing our CO2 ppm. I'm going to sneak it into the enclosure, then close it back up so you guys can see the content there. So let's get straight into it. Okay, we have condensation buildup on the glass, which isn't a problem at all. And then our CO2 ppm is running at 413, 24 degrees Celsius, and 70% humidity in there. So yes, you can definitely see that humidity adding up. Oh hey, look, I can make a smile. Nice. Anyway, let's open it up. Okay, so starting off with our right tank. Plant's looking great. That one snap pea is very large now, and we've actually got 2 new flowers today. We've got this one up here that's developing, and we also have this one down here. So that's very nice. I don't see any more that are developing over here quite yet, but I think that there will probably be more. Regarding the actual tank, water level is more than enough, and the roots are looking very healthy, so that is awesome. Anyways, let's get into all of our actual measurements. My guess is that the pH is going to be 6.59, ppm is going to be 1100, and the EC will be 2100. Let's check it. Okay, so our pH is running at 6.77. Slightly out of our range, but since the tanks are getting purged tomorrow, I will accept it. Also, an interesting thing I've noticed, that thing that's been degrading is kind of there, and we actually do have a flower that's on this stem. So if it dies, we've got a pretty good idea of what happened. Broken stem. Anyway, I don't think it's broken. I think it's just degraded. Anyway, let's get on to our ppm. Looks like our ppm is running at 1153, 2300 for our EC, and 24.2 degrees Celsius. Anyways, let's get on to our left tank. Okay, left tank's looking pretty solid. We finally have a pod developing, and I think there's another flower developing right there. So very nice. The actual reservoir is looking pretty solid. Water level hasn't really dropped, so kind of interesting. Anyway, 6.5 guess, 1100 and 2200. Let's get to it. You know, our pH rose really high, 7.1. On to our ppm. ppm is 1100, EC is 2200, and temperature is 23.7. Anyways,